Microphone. No microphone. Alright, stupid. Can you believe after all these years, I just figured out how to delete that microphone? Like, here it is. There it's gone. In today's episode, we are going to announce our $1,000 winner to Melt's Christmas giveaway. There were 48 entrants, which means that 47 of you are not going to win. But I need you, especially you guys, to stay to the end of the video because I have an announcement that has something to do with your entries because they're still valid. I have another giveaway that I'm going to be working on that you can use to submit your videos. This is going to be big because I promised that 2022 I'm going to be inspiring you to get your hands on each other. And this Valentine's Day, oh my God, like this Valentine's Day, I think everyone is going to get their hands on each other because it's going to be big. This is going to be the biggest Valentine's Day we've ever had together. But for now, let's go choose a winner. So I really wanted this program to be able to scroll through all the names and make it a big event, like a big voila, this is your winner. But no, it's not. How are you, Aiden?
Yeah, pretty good.
We got the whole family. So
yeah, little one sitting here.
Do you know why I'm calling you today?
I'm guessing it's in regards to the competition.
You guys won.
Oh, get out
Really?
of town.
Congratulations, you won $1,000. Actually, it's in US. So I think the conversion, let me have a look. I'll see what it is right now from US to AUD. It is, you ready for this? It is $1,384 that you won.
Whoa.
Crazy.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
You know what else is good? So like it was completely random. And I went into your account to see like when did you sign up and how long have you been a melter for? And you guys have been around for a very long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you're one of the original ones that came on board with the video. So 2015, that's a long time. I love that.
Yeah.
So have you had an idea or a thought on how you would spend the money?
Sheesh, I don't know.
Oh. No idea at all.
It's all such a surprise to us.
I mean, I love it. I think it's great. I love the massage as well.
Yeah.
I liked the videos at the very end how your kid is just like, hey, I want to get involved too, and starts lying on you, Aiden.
Yeah.
Adorable. Well, thanks for being a part of the competition and the giveaway. And thanks for being a melter as well. I love that you guys are still getting your hands on each other after all these years.
Yeah. We want to thank you as well.
Yes.
You're welcome. I love what I do. I think it's it's the best job in the world for sure.
Oh, definitely. Perfect. Such a welcoming gift, especially during this crazy time too.
Well, thanks for your time, guys. And thanks for being a part of Melt. I really appreciate the support. It means a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Congratulations, Grace and Aiden. Thank you for being part of this giveaway. It's fun. It's good to see everybody getting their hands on each other. I really appreciate everyone putting their videos in. Now, quick announcement. We are going to do another giveaway happening for Valentine's Day. This is going to open up in the second week of January. I know Christmas time was really busy and it's kind of like a little bit difficult to massage your partner, film it, and then enter the competition. Valentine's Day, we have no excuse. And this time there's a massive lead up. The other thing that I want to say, I'm not going to announce how much the prize money is just yet, but it's more. It's a lot more. I want you to start thinking about getting yourself in the mood to massage because in the 6 weeks leading up to Valentine's Day and leading up to the giveaway, I'm going to be teaching you some nice cheeky massages, like intimacy kind of implied. You'll get to see parts of Melt that I've never shown before and taught before either, that will give you ideas on how to make your massage a little bit more romantic. I found some clips and I really like it. I'm going to have some special things for our lifetime members, like there's a new routine that's coming out that will be announced early February. I'm still working on it now, but I'm loving it and it looks really good just for lifetime members. And this giveaway is going to be huge. So stick around. All right, I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for being part of it. Grace, Aiden, thanks for being a part of it. Congratulations on winning that money. I'll see you guys in the new year.